Hi, my name is Patrick, and we'll come up with videos that will help you with regards to preparation for CAT 25. Now, one of the very effective techniques which are there is Pomodoro technique. If you can use this technique, I'm sure it will help you prepare more, be more effective in your preparation, and actually you can do much more in a shorter span of time. Now, a very common technique, you can read about it. Let me just put it across. The way technique works is you have to make a timer of around 25 minutes. Now it can vary, but it assumes that a span where a person can focus on completely is around 25 minutes on an average. Now, by chance you have some distraction. Normally when you keep studying or keep working, if you have some distraction, write it down on a piece of paper. Okay, you keep a piece of paper, separate pen, paper, and write it on a piece of paper. But focus on the work that is done. And after 25 minutes, try to take a 5-minute break. Normally this works if you can keep a separate space where you want to study. I keep one study table, I keep a clock of 25 minutes and focus and study for 25 minutes, keeping an alarm. So once the 25 minutes alarm happens, I can take a 5-minute break. Okay, and this is 30-minute cycle. 25-minute work and 5-minute break will be one Pomodoro cycle. So if you can do 4 Pomodoros at a time or 2 Pomodoros, whichever how much of time you have. So if you have time for 2 Pomodoros, do 2 Pomodoros at a time. So you will be studying in 1 hour. Actually, you will try to do much more as far as possible. Even if you're working, say, and you don't have time to give at a stretch, you can do maybe morning 2 and evening 2 Pomodoros. That should be sufficient for preparation. But the key is to focus on your preparation, give the maximum output. Try it out for some time, you'll realize the output is really. I used this and it was very effective. I think you should try this out. Okay, what does it help? It helps you to stay motivated because during that time there's no distraction. Normally you are so much distracted which are there. This helps you to avoid distraction and stay focused. And therefore it helps you to get more done because you're more focused and therefore you can do it much more with this. So advantage helps stop procrastination because you're keeping 25 minutes at a stretch. You're going to work on that. So procrastination is stopped. Can work with higher intensity. The intensity is much higher because you're more focused. Okay, no distractions, and the breaks will refresh your energy. Studying for long hours, 1-2 hours at a stretch is not advisable because you get tired and your effectiveness reduces. My normal stance is start with 1 Pomodoro, slowly increase it to 2, and maybe possible 3 at a time. Studying 25 minutes and then 5 minutes break normally is sufficient. You can do 2 Pomodoros at a time, that should suffice. So try this technique. I'm sure it will help you to improve your productivity. Thank you. We'll come up with more videos that will help you. If you're interested, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.